Hi, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify for email marketing tutorial for beginners. With Shopify email, you can create, run, and track email marketing campaigns natively inside the Shopify marketing. Using highly customizable email templates, existing brand assets, and product content from your store, creating your next marketing campaign is extremely easy. Just a heads up, you must be on a paid Shopify plan to access this feature. If you're on a trial Shopify plan, you can still create a professional email, but you cannot send or receive emails through it. So let's get started. Now, the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to log in into our Shopify app or our website. And this is our Shopify dashboard. And we are just going to scroll down. And as you can see in the apps here, there's none. So we're just going to click on Add Apps. And here are the apps available for you. So we are going to click on Shopify email. So before we are going to add this app, we're just going to scroll down. So this app is free to install. The first 10,000 manual or automated emails each month are free. Then it's $1 USD for every 1,000 emails you send. So again, for the first 10,000, it's free, but in the next 1,000 emails, it's going to cost you $1. So with the Shopify email, we can send branded emails to segments of customers directly from Shopify. We can use email templates for products, sales, restock, holidays, events, and more. Personalize your subject and line, preview and body text with customers' names. You can also encourage customers to buy products directly from your emails, and we can track results like click-through rates, products, and added to cart and purchases. So let's go ahead and add this app. So just click Add App. All right, so we are going to install app. So we've already installed the Shopify email. So we can build relationships with the customers by sending store news, sale announcements, and more. So we have here two options if we're going to create an automation or create a campaign. So in this video, we are going to create a campaign. Now, these are the branded templates that we can build on. So there are actually different templates that you can choose from. So it really depends on what is your goal in that certain email or your campaign. So we have here a spring sale announcement template, new arrivals. We also have your blank template. So you can use this blank template for you to make your own template. You have here a product restock, a newsletter, a product template, a discount template, and sale announcement template. So we can click on view more just to see more templates. So here we go. We have here installments, end of sale, upcoming event, and express checkout. So you're just going to choose any of the templates here that you want. All right, so we're going to use this template, the spring sale announcement. So by the way, this is what our template looks like. So we're just gonna go ahead and click select. All right, so here is the email that we are going to customize. So before we try to customize our template here, we are gonna go ahead and click this part here. So who are you going to send your campaign or your email? So you can have also all subscribers here, or you can choose customers who haven't purchased, or you have customers who have purchased more than once, abandoned checkouts in the last 30 days, and email subscribers. So you can just choose from any of here. So as you can see, I have here 0 subscribers because this is just a sample email. All right, so you can just click all subscribers. So again, it depends as to whom you're going to send your email. So we'll just choose all subscribers. And then for the subject, you have to be specific and concise to spark interest, because this is what your customers will see in their emails. So it has to be catchy. So we're going to write the spring sale is here, right? And the preview text, this part here, this is the summary of your email. So we're just going to write, don't miss this 50% spring sale. And in this part here, you're going to write your email, or if you want to change this one, just click edit if you want to add another email that you want to add here. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to try to customize our template. Now, as you can see, there are different blocks here. So in every block, you have the chance to duplicate this one, or you can delete this certain block or section. And we are going to go ahead and go to the left part. So when we are going to press this one, we have the ability to move this certain block or section as to wherever we want it to be placed. So let's start editing our template. So for us to edit our template, all we need to do is just click on that certain block or section. Okay, so in this part here, we can try to change the image here, but we're not going to change because I already like this one. So you can also add an image alt text here, and you can also add a link. So it's either you are going to add a link for collections, products, pages, blogs, articles, or policies. So let's try to add a link for our products. So this is, by the way, our shop, and these are our products. So we are gonna go ahead and just copy this link here, and we are going to paste it here. So there you go, it's already added. Now we can also change the layout. We can have a full width or none. And then for the section, right, so you can try to change the color here, but I'm gonna stick with the color green here, or the darker one. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and change this into green. Next is we're going to have this part here, this block. So you can change the text color and the link color, and then the font size. You can adjust the font size, and also here are different formatting texts, and then the alignment, and then the color background. So we're not going to change that. And also for the font style, you can also change that as well. You can look for these fonts here that you want. Next, for this part here, we're going to change this one. Don't miss out the 50% off in every item. And then in this part, you can try to put the link. So earlier we've pasted our link, so it already appeared here. So you can change the website font, the text size, the style, the corners, and the fill. Is it solid or outline? Text color, button color, alignment, and then the background color. So we're gonna go ahead with this part here. So it's the same thing. So you can just navigate through this if you want to change on different colors, their fonts, the sizes, and the link color as well. For this part, the last part of our email is our shop information. So it's important that we try to put the name of our shop, and then the address, and our phone number, and our email. So if we're gonna go ahead and write this here. Now, if you're not satisfied with this and you want to add another section, you're just gonna go ahead and click add section. So adding a new section, you have here few choices. So your section might be a text, a button, an image, a divider, a spacer, a discount, gift card, product, image with text, multi-column, express checkout, and custom liquid. So you have a variety of sections here that you can choose from. So once you're done with everything here, all the information is already in your email and you're good to go already. So I suggest you do a send test for you to be able to see what your email looks like before you send it to your buyers or your customers. So just click send, and then after that, once you're good to go, you're already satisfied with your email, then you just click send. Now, again, we will not be able to send our email here because we need to upgrade our plan to send emails. So, Shopify email is not available with our free trial. So, we need to upgrade our plan. And that's it. That's how easy you can use Shopify for email marketing. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.